Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham, MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. Today, let's look at a 2021 Harris 230 Sunliner. This 230 Sunliner is powered by a Mercury 4-stroke 150. As your ski tow bar, all the stainless steel fencing, extended swim platform, has a large sun lounge seat, movable cup holders, real nice stitching in the upholstery work, dual captain chairs with recliners and armrests, fusion stereo system, has your gauges offset to the right, giving you a little bit more space for your cell phone up in here, power charging ports, table, more cup holders, ample storage underneath all the seats. This is the Harris 2021 230 Sunliner. If you'd like to come by MarineMax Lake Norman, again, Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Call or stop by. We'd be glad to show you this Harris or any of the other Harris boats that we carry in stock.